This is where we're staying. To get in, you have to put in a code. This is the first bedroom. This is like a mini walk-in closet. Oh, it's huge. It's kind of big. And then this is the balcony. This one has the balcony. So just push it out, and this is the view from here. We're on the 25th floor, so it looks crazy deep, but this is cute, huh? This is where we're at. This is the view. So yeah, we're on the 25th floor. That is the first bedroom as you come in. This is the kitchen, the island. This is the table. The chairs are velvet. Oh, the view is so nice. And there's a mirror here. It's huge. Chandelier, and this is so cool. So these are lights. Sorry. So these are lights, and there's like a little jellyfish in there. So cool. This is the second bathroom. This one is a shower. And then we have, it's like a huge mirror light. And then this is the restroom. And then there's like this. So before the restroom, it's, let me turn off the lights. So it's like the restroom. And then it's like this whole closet. I love everything, I swear. This is so cute. And this one also does have a view. Like, it's so cute. So bye. So like, we're literally like in the corner of the building, like this spot. And then the TV's on, I guess. I'm gonna do my makeup right here. Might as well do my makeup, right? I'm not gonna do shit.
I had a little encounter with a bear once. Let's just say his head looks real nice.
I just came back from the pool. We got here yesterday, so today's Sunday.
My grandpa taught me. I caught a shark once. It bit me in the butt.
Sunday, I think
Check it
it
out.
was 1 or 12. But yeah, we got here yesterday at 5.
At least I know how to drive.
Chicken was like after 2, but
Walk, girl. Now, smart.
yeah, we were like,
Trips
okay,
to
let's
beach last year, ring a bell? Oh, I can't believe you're
go to
bringing that
Costco
up.
real quick. So we went to Costco. We just got a lasagna, like a pre-made
You drove
lasagna,
my mom's
or
car into a
some
snack
yesterday
shack.
to eat.
It was
There's still
totally
like
my
half of it
mom's
left,
fault.
but
Whatever,
we
but
already
bus
ate
to the
some in the
mall.
morning.
Well, if it weren't for me, you would be
We
able
ate some
to
in the morning,
find your
but
way to the mall.
I wasn't really hungry, and we just
I
been
know
drinking.
my way to the mall. You lean on me. If it wasn't for me, you wouldn't even be on this show. Oh, you're just saying that because I'm prettier than you. I knew. I hope you
I don't have a
expect me to
specific way of
dignify that
doing
with a
my
response.
makeup. Like
Hey guys, look what I found.
concealer, I'm just using this Julia's Place concealer
I never had
and
rabbit
shade
stew
number
before,
18.
but what the heck? I'm game.
This is my new
It's
pet.
honestly really,
I'm calling
I
him
like
Pet.
it.
You couldn't find any food?
Like
Then it looks like we're eating
Cool.
grubs and berries for
it's
dinner.
like buildable.
Has anyone
So I'm just going to get like this
Be
foundation
cool. It's just an hour.
and just
Sorry. I just get really freaked out in the forest.
This reminds me of this really scary story I heard once.
Awesome. Tell it, man.
Are you sure? Because the story I'm
Here, Abby, she's going to die.
I'm scared! Somebody help me! Hey, are you okay?
Did that bear just ask me a question?
Oh my goodness, I did not see that coming.
so
Okay.
I just realized
I'm so
I forgot my
confused
bronzing
right now.
powder.
What's wrong? Gotta go pee?
Like crazy.
For
I'm too
blush,
scared to
I'm just
pretend.
gonna get this
Yeah, me too.
pink shade from the Warrior Julia's Place, the Warrior 2 palette. For eyebrows, I'm just going to use this shade and a little bit of black shade. And I'm just going to curl my lashes.
Oh my gosh, this is so good. I never thought chips could taste so good. I think I'm gonna be sick.
That's so incredibly gross.
Oh, that's better. Woo! The Screaming Gophers rule! Hey, give me some of those chocodiles.
I'll be right back.
make my new
This is the final look.
5 minutes.